Hi everyone. Sunday night, I was just reading your chat room conversation from last week, and I wanted to post an answer to the questions that you guys have about turning in assignments. It's going to be a little bit different for Leah and Andrea because your supervisor is Karen, and you're going to have to ask Karen the same questions. I know, I'm pretty sure she likes it if you turn in your activity plans as you go along. I'm not sure if she wants those on paper form or if she, I'm not quite sure how she does that. So you're going to want to touch base with her. I can ask her and have her get in touch with you guys. But for my group, I've told Cassidy that I will put a place, and I'll actually do it right now, but I'll put a place that you can turn in the activity plans if you want to do them, turn them in as you do them. I'm also okay with you turning them in at the end of the semester, all 11 of them. I will check to make sure you're progressing and getting them done, but I don't really need to see them for the most part until the end of the semester. But remember, for Andrea and Leah, that might be a little bit different for you. Um, so there'll be a place to turn them in online. When it comes to your paperwork, your lead teaching paperwork, I will come get it, or we'll figure out how you can get it to me when that gets a little bit closer. So as far as the cooperating teacher evaluations, that might be a little bit harder to turn in online. So you're probably going to want to hang on to those. So I hope that answers your questions. If you have any others, please post it in this week's chat room. I also got an email from Morgan that the Sesame Street one that's due next Sunday night opened. I put it at midnight. They didn't have 11:59 as a choice, so I did it at midnight, and I should have known it would open today. But that's not due until next week, so no panicking. It's just open early. I don't think anyone had posted on it yet, so maybe some of you haven't even noticed. I noticed most of you have done your discussion board posts this week and also your journals. Um, Also wanted to touch base with you about doing we need the Practicum 4 folks need to do a work time for your professional portfolio. So the people that are Practicum 3, ignore this, but Practicum 4, well, actually 3, if you want to get a jump start on what you're going to be doing next semester, you're welcome to join us. Practicum 4, I'm wondering if you want to just do a WebEx where we can all log onto the computer at the same time, and I can talk you through writing annotations and what artifacts you need to gather in order to put them in your professional portfolio. I am thinking next Wednesday night would be a good night for me. Next Wednesday is the 23rd, I believe. And we could do it at like 7 or 8 o'clock at night so that everybody's finished with work. So if you are in Practicum 4, please let me know if that date works for you. So the 23rd, Wednesday the 23rd, if that is, yeah, the 16th is this Wednesday, so it'll be the 23rd at 8 o'clock, and then we can all log on at the same time and we can kind of talk it through. I will post some different handouts that will help you that you can have and take a look at before we meet so that you have the questions that you want to ask. In the meantime, the best way to get started with that is to start gathering your notes and your papers and other things from all of your classes, because you'll need to find 2 artifacts per class that you've taken as part of our program. And then, but they have to meet competencies, so I have a competency handout, everything else. So have a great night, and I will talk to you online next week. Bye-bye.